Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. My iPhone is now back in my possession. If you haven't seen the video of why I had to send this in for repair, make sure to go check that out. Literally just got this peeled off the address, the shipping label, you know, to protect my address and things like that. But here we go. Let's open this up. So the last email I had gotten from Apple said that they were shipping this out to me. They gave me the tracking number and said that included with this is a letter. So my customer service experience with Apple has been very good. From the time I gave this to the UPS driver, I think it was actually delivered to them the next day. And then from the time, I think they actually shipped this out on Saturday. I got an email late in the afternoon on Saturday. So today is September the 9th. So it would have been September the 7th. Late that afternoon, I got an email saying that my iPhone was shipping out. So pretty fast shipping. That might not be the case with everyone, but it's back in my possession. And I'm a little paranoid that they have not replaced the screen, but I'm not sure why they wouldn't, because the dead pixels was very obvious. Again, go watch that video. But here we go. Let's see what this letter is about. So here's my iPhone. Maybe there is no letter. So here my phone is. I'm not sure what this sticker is. Maybe that's my IMEI or repair ID. Definitely have to check that out. Let's see if there's actually a letter in here. No letter? Okay. Let's double check. No letter. Okay. Just wanted to be sure. Okay, so what's going on here? Okay, so this right here is the original box to my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I was looking around here. It was kind of hard to see, so I had to get my flashlight. But I noticed on one of the stickers of the box they sent me, the serial number is different, at least from what I remember, than the iPhone I sent them. So maybe they sent me a replacement. So I'm going to look on my iPhone box and confirm that here. So the serial number on this, okay, no. Okay, it's the same. Good deal. Q6T24. I don't know why. I guess I just Q6T24. Okay, so this is my iPhone. Okay, let's crack this open and see what's going on. Let's give it the old slice-a-roo right there. Well, I guess I'm going to have to slice both, right? There we go. Okay. Da-da-da-da-da. Oh, here's our letter. Okay, good deal. So it wasn't in the actual box. It was in, and I noticed there's a sticker. Look at that. It's a sticker over that. Brand new display, I suspect. Alright, let's read this together. Our technicians have successfully repaired your product. They ran complete diagnostic tests, performed all available troubleshooting, and replaced the following items. Okay, there's an display, iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay. Symptoms, display, pixel, foreign material. Okay, so that's pretty much it. They've repaired or did a screen replacement, and it says that the replacement items are covered by a 90-day service warranty or the remainder of your warranty or Apple Care agreement, whichever is longer. Okay, yeah, there we go. So they replaced the display as I suspected. Good deal. Like I said, my experience with their customer service has been really good. I would say among the best experience I've had. Now, I don't know. I haven't always had an iPhone long term. I didn't have any issues with my iPhone 13, and I had that for right around 2 years, and that was pretty much my daily device. So here we go. Keep that, and I will also keep that paper for if I ever decide to sell my iPhone. Now, the iPhone 16 series just launched, but I think I'm going to hold on to my 15 Pro Max for a while, and I believe this is pretty much in mint condition. I've had a case on it since like the second day I bought it. Here we go. And here we go. Let me go over here and actually grab my case and go ahead and throw that back on the phone. Okay, so here's my Spigen case. See if I can kind of set that in there. There we go, back in the case. And probably later I will go ahead and put another screen protector back on this, but there we go. As you can see on that left-hand side, if you go back and watch the video I made on the dead pixels, those dead pixels are no longer there. So, looks really nice. And you know, looking at this, the bezels are really small. And on the iPhone 16 Pro series, the bezels are even smaller. So it's crazy to think that they're able to shrink the bezels even more. But I think the first step I'm going to do is actually put this on charge for a little bit because it looks kind of low, and get it fully set up. And I'm actually kind of excited to have my iPhone back, and I have to add my eSIM back to that, and hopefully my Wi-Fi calling is working just fine on the iPhone, because on the OnePlus 12 it's not been working for me. That's a feature I need because I don't have coverage here at my home. So I might actually be, as long as the Wi-Fi calling works, the iPhone might be back as my daily driver. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think. How has your experience been with Apple customer service? This has been a very smooth process. I think as smooth as it could have went. And of course, you know, long term, I'll keep an eye on the display. Seems to be working fine. It feels good. So appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video.